Hey guys, welcome back to Sunshine and Sparkles. I'm Aishwarya and today I'll be sharing with you another makeup look. So without wasting any time, let's get on to the video. To moisturize my face, I'll be using Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. Drop it over your forehead, over your cheeks and all the areas to moisturize it pretty well. For my face this is enough. Now gently move your fingers across your face and massage it all over your face nicely. Next, for the under eye, I'm using the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye. Taking a very little amount and taking it on both of my fingers, two fingers, and placing it gently under the eye. Make sure you massage well under the eye. Moving on, I am using the Huda Beauty foundation in the shade Toffee, which is 420G. With this foundation, what we need to do is that we need to take small parts of the face because this dries up pretty quickly, and for me, like, a pump is enough for the face. Like, let's see, I'm going over small parts and not dotting my whole face today, so going all over my right side of the cheek and blending it really well. Next, moving on to the concealer, I'm using the Huda Beauty the Overachiever concealer in the shade Caramel Corn. And now I'll have to look in the mirror because obviously, you know, for obvious reasons why. Always place your concealer in this V shape and never only on the dark circles. There's a reason why we do that. So why we do that is because we need to blend the concealer shade with the foundation shade. So taking that in, taking the blender in now and blending every corner of my under eye so that my under eye doesn't look dark enough, and blending that concealer in with the foundation. So next I'll be using a contour, and I'm using this contour from Huda Beauty, which is in the name Tantour Contour and Bronzer Cream in the shade Medium. This is how it goes. This is where my contour line is. With this, you can also do the bridge of the nose with the remaining product if you wish to. I love contouring my face, so I do that. Since my forehead is normal for the face, not big enough, so I do not touch my forehead with the contour. But if you want, with the remaining product, you can go under, like right here, and just blend it a bit if you want, so that you get a chiseled look altogether. Next, taking the same beauty blender, you'll see me using the beauty blender every time because I don't know why I love using it, because that is the easiest way I think that it is possible. So taking the beauty blender, now we need to blend this portion. So make that pouty face again. Next, using a powder to just fix up all the makeup and everything, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix in the shade NC 43.5. Taking a powder brush in my hand and taking the powder from the next, I'm going to powder my face lightly all over. To enhance the bronzing effect of the contour, I am going to use this bronzer from Physicians Formula, the Butter Bronzer in the shade Deep Bronzer. So taking the product on the brush and making that pout face again. So now moving on to the eyes, I'm using the Huda Beauty Nude palette. I'll be going in with this shade and this shade, and then some glitter shade I'll show you later on. So let's go in with the shade Lace, which is a light pinkish purplish shade, very light. dust off the excess and let's go in with it. Yes, just like that. So take the shade and brush it all over your eyes completely. Next, using a smaller blending brush, since I'm going with a very light look, I am using all the blending brushes and not exact angled brushes or something. Next, using the color, the shade Spank. There are no colors, there are shades and pigments always. Dusting off the excess, going in the outer corner and blending this in. Keep blending till you get the desired color on the outer corner. So I'm transitioning from light to dark on my eye. So keep placing the dark color on the outer corner of your eye if you wish to. Now if you want to go darker than this, you can use the color Love Bite, which I think I might, because I don't know why, I just like it. So going in with the color Love Bite with the same brush and a little bit of the outer corner, shading it in just a little bit. Don't go overboard with it, so that you can see the transition all over from the lightest to darkest, or if you see from the outer side, it's the darkest to the lightest. Next, if you wish, you can go on the lower lash line also as well. So I'll be going with the shade Spanked as well as Lace. I'll be going with Spanked on the exact, like just below my waterline, and then taking another blending brush, I am going in with the color Lace and blending all of it in. I'll take the shade Fantasy, which is a pinkish silverish shade, a little deep pink, and I'll go in the inner corners. So going ahead with this white kohl kajal, which is in the shade You're Always Wild. You're Always White from Wet n Wild. Well, I'm always wild at times, but never mind. So going in with that, I am going to apply it on my waterline. Next, using the mascara by L'Oreal Paris, that is Voluminous Lash Paradise, and it's waterproof. Always remember to remove the excess from the mascara before you take out the wand. Like while you're taking out the wand, just remove the excess so that your eyelashes don't look clumpy and spider-like. So this is how it looks after the mascara. Now I'll be adding my lashes pretty soon. So yeah, this is the eye makeup that is almost complete now. Next, I'm using the lashes from Huda Beauty in Giselle No. 1 Classic. So taking out these lashes gently and taking the lash glue. My lash glue is from PAC. This is the Lash Fixer Eyelash Adhesive. This dries up clear, and this is what I love about it. And okay, so I have my lash glue on the lash band. This lash is for the left eye, so let's dry the eyelash glue a little bit and let's place this on the eyes. Let's do this. So keeping it close to your above lash line, as close as you can. Fix in the outer corner gently. Moving on to the blush now. As you can see, I've done my brows, and I always do it off camera because it takes me gazillion of minutes to like complete it. So like let's not get those gazillion minutes in between this session. So I'm using the blush from MAC, which is in the shade Mocha Matte. Taking it on my blush brush and smiling a little bit in the mirror and applying it right there. I'm done with the blush now. Moving on to the lipstick. Now the lipstick that I'm going to use is from Huda Beauty, which is their matte Power Bullet matte lipstick in the shade Payday. Okay, this is a beautiful. So that is, I am done with the lipstick now. Next, moving on to a little bit of a lip stroke by Huda Beauty, and this is in the shade Shameless, which technically I become when the auntie G's of my family start talking about my marriage. So yeah, let's put this on and tell them that yeah, I am shameless enough. Now moving on to the second last step of my makeup look, and that is the most important step, which I think it is. If you guys don't, like using it, it's okay, but for me this is the most important step of applying makeup, and that is a highlighter. So I'm using this highlighter from Sugar, and this is in the shade 01 Champagne Champion. Taking it on a brush, a highlighting brush, and tapping off the excess. Highlight your higher points on the face, as you can see right here. Do the same on the other side. Ooh, that glow. So the last step to this makeup tutorial is to fix the makeup, and for that I'm using the MAC Fix Plus setting spray in the flavor Pineapple, because I love pineapples, for anyone who wants to know. Okay, that smells so nice. So those of you who like this look, please like this video, comment below what you liked, and also give me ideas of whatever I need to post in my next videos. If you would like to see something, do comment below. Share this with your friends and family and whoever you want to share this with, so that they can try it on and see how they look in it. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get all the new updates of the fresh content that I post. With that, I am signing off right now. This is Aishwarya. We'll see you soon. Bye.